Hey guys, today we are going to be learning about dictionaries, and they work similar to what you would think of as a dictionary. They're not super important to know or to use. Like, it's never going to prevent you from doing something if you don't know how to use them, but they are useful, and it's good to just be aware of them nonetheless. So the way we start out is declaring one. So we just give our dictionary a name and set it equal to these curly braces, and that's what tells Python we're about to make a dictionary. So the way dictionaries work is we search for some word and then it gives us a definition. So in that framework, the word we are looking for is the key and its definition is the value. So you hear key value get talked about a lot with dictionaries. So that's just what that means. So I think an example will just make this way more clear than anything I've said so far. So let me just paste in some stuff here, and I'll even make it look kind of nice. So let's say I was making a dictionary for like decoding whatever you call this. So LOL is my word, and whenever I search for LOL in my dictionary, I want it to return laugh out loud. Same for G2G. When I search for that in my dictionary, I want it to say got to go. So how do we actually get information out of this? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print my dictionary. And again, we're gonna use these square brackets, and in here we put the key. We put the word we want to search for. So I'm gonna copy this, and so I'm gonna search for LOL in my dictionary. And when I run this, we get laugh out loud. Alright, so how do we add to this? So because I'm lazy, I'll just erase that. And if I want to add a new word, let's say I wanted to add K. So what does K mean? When you get it in a text message, it means I'm mad. So this adds the key of K, and it gives it a value of I'm mad. So now what I can do is I'll just copy this, and I'm going to print out my dictionary with a new word in it, and when I run this, we'll see I'm mad get printed out. So now the opposite, what if I wanted to delete something, like I wanted to delete GG because I'm incapable of having a good game? What I do is I'll go ahead and delete this, and then we call the function del for delete, and then we give it the name of our dictionary at the value we want to get rid of in these square brackets. So just like this, I want to delete something, and I want to delete the GG entry in my dictionary. So then what I'll do after I've deleted it is just print the entire dictionary. So you can see we still have lol, G2G, and K, but we don't have GG anymore. So that's it for dictionaries. I hope you learned something there. Have a good one, guys.